our previous video, we explained how to find square of a number very close to base numbers. For example, to find the 98 square, we took 100 as our base number. 98 is 2 less than 100. Subtracting 2 from 98, 98 minus 2, we get 96. That was the first part. And the second part, square of 2. Square of 2 is 04. We are expecting 2 digits in the second part. That's why I wrote 04. Answer is 9604. To get the square of 997, we took 1000 as our base number. This is 3 less than 1000. Subtracting 3, 994. Then square of 3. Square of 3, 9. Write 009. This is the answer. So these numbers are very close to 100 or very close to 1000 or very close to the base numbers. Base numbers are 10, 100, 1000, etc. Suppose you want to find square of 48. See, that number is not very close to 10. This number is not very close to 100. What we should do to find square of 48? Here we take 50 as our sub base. See, sub base, it can be any multiple of base number or any submultiple of base numbers. I am going to take 100 as my base number and working base or sub base as 50. This sub base is half of 100. Now, how can we find square of 48? See, this 48 is 2 less than this 50. For calculation, we are taking our sub base. 48 is 2 less than 50. That 2 subtract from 48. So 48 minus 2, that is 46. That is not the first part. First part is that 46 by 2. 23 will be the first part of the answer. That is the change. So we are using Yavadunam method and Anirupyana Sutra. Two sutras we are using here. Yavadunam, Tavaduni Kritya Vargam Chayojit and Anirupyana. Anirupyana means proportionally. I am writing 46 by 2 here. 48 minus 2, 46. We are not writing that 46 here. We are writing half of 46. Why? Because sub base is half of actual base. And the second part is 2 square, that deficiency square. Answer is 2304. Here also we are expecting 2 digits in the second part because our base is 100. See, I am going to show one more example. 498 square. To get 498 square, you can take 1000 as your base. This is base and sub base is half of 1000, 500. See, this number is 2 less than 500. Subtracting 2, 496. We get 496 but write half of 496. That is the first part. So that is 248. First part of the answer is 248 and second part is square of deficiency. Square of 2 is 4. Write 004 because your base is 1000. We need 3 places in the second part. So to do this problem, I took base as 100 and sub base as 50. The same problem you can take, complete by taking 10 as base. You can take base number as 10 and sub base 50. Sub base equal to 50. See, 48 is 2 less than 50. Subtracting 2, I get 46. But my base number is 10 and the sub base is 5 times of base number. What I should do? I have to multiply that 46 by 5. 46 into 5 is 230. That is the first part. And the second part is square of the deficiency. Square of deficiency 2 square I write only 4 because base is 10. we are expecting only one digit in the second part. So same answer we get in this way also. So here I took base as 10 and sub base as 50. One can do the same problem by taking base 10 and sub base 40. Another example. Suppose you want to find square of 23. Take base 10, base equal to 10, sub base equal to 2 times 10, 20. Listen, here the number is 3 more than sub base. If the number exceeds, then you have to add. 23 is the number and 23 is 3 more than 20. That's why I am adding that 3. If the number is more than base or sub base, you have to add. If the number is less than base or sub base, you have to subtract. So here it is more than base, 23 plus 3, 26 you get, but 26 is not the answer. The first part is 26 into 2 because 20 is 2 times the base number. But 26 into 2, 52. That will be the first part. And second part is square of deficiency. Deficiency 3, square of 3, 9. We need only one digit because our base is 10. 23 square is equal to 529. One more example. 24 square. Number is 4 more than 20. Adding 4, 28. 24 plus 4, 28. And take double of 28. So 56 is the first part. And the second part is square of 4. Square of 4 is 16, but we need only one digit here because our base is 10. We are expecting only one digit. What we have to do with this one? Take this one to the first part. Add this one to the first part. So it becomes 57, then 6. 576 is the square of 24. Suppose you want to find square of 32. Square of 32. Base is 10. Working base or sub base equal to 30. And see, it is 3 times the base. What we have to do? First, deficiency 30, 32. Deficiency 2. Number plus deficiency 32 plus 2, that is 34. That 34 is multiplied by 3 because sub base is 3 times base. You get 1 or 2 as the first part. And second part is square of 2. Square of 2 is 4. We need only one digit since base is 10. So answer is 1024. So in that way, we can find square of numbers which are not very close to base numbers.